The first thing you should do is get your phone ready. The next step is to access YouTube and select the video to view, after which you'll be rewarded in cash for doing so. So all you have to do is view a YouTube video, just like you're doing right now by watching our video, and you'll be paid right away. Isn't that incredible? In today's video, the strategy is simple and ideal for novices who have never earned a penny before. It is also completely free, so you won't have to invest any money to pay for anything. It's free, so you can keep earning money without spending any, which is obviously what we need, and it's available all over the world. This method is accessible to everyone, even in the most remote parts of the globe, because we all need a way to make money, especially in this pandemic, and we care about our subscribers and listen to you, so we always make sure everyone gets a fair shot. We're gonna walk you through today's entire process step by step so you don't get lost, and we're also gonna drop some bomb tips for you guys today to triple your income, so make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's method, and make sure you don't skip ahead so you don't miss any important details. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now we want you to open up this website in front of your screens, and this is how their website should look like. This website allows us to watch videos to earn money. As you can see, these are the most recent withdrawals made, and these are pretty big numbers, not just cents, so we're talking real money here. So let's go ahead and sign up on this website, and to do so, just click on join in the upper right corner of the homepage, and that should take you to here. So now you're gonna wanna fill up all of the details being asked of you. So your username, email, password twice, your location, and then do the CAPTCHA and then hit on join. Now as soon as you complete that, boom, there you have it, your own personal account. Now before anything else, make sure that you confirm your email address. So go ahead and open up your email inbox, then click on the link right there, and that's gonna automatically open up your now verified and activated account. Now here we're inside our account and we're currently on our dashboard. Basically, you're gonna see all the things you can do on here to earn money, and you're gonna see how many points you currently have over here. Now, to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Okay, now it's time to focus on making money, and since we're gonna be focusing on watching videos, we are gonna be clicking on one of the YouTube icons up here, and we're gonna choose YouTube Plays. So you're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna be taken here. So now you're gonna see that there's already a YouTube video waiting for you to play it, so you can immediately make money, which is great because this entails that you won't be having to manually go on YouTube and look for the videos yourself. You can watch and click it from this website, and then you can earn just like that. No hassle at all, and that's exactly what we're going for. So click on the play button, and as soon as you click on play, it's gonna open up the video on YouTube. So you're automatically on the video already, super easy. So as soon as your 30 seconds are done on the video, it's gonna exit itself. And then you're gonna have another video already waiting for you, and you should see your points adding up as you finish a video each time. And obviously, the more videos that you watch, the more money you can make. You can watch videos an unlimited amount of times because there's always gonna be a video available that you can watch and earn points from that you can eventually exchange for cash. Now, if you notice, you also have the option to skip a video. This is wonderful if you want to watch the video and find videos that interest you and that you'll enjoy so that you can focus on your task. You can also opt to watch or skip a video, and you will not run out of videos, which is fantastic. Simply keep viewing and skipping what you don't want, and you will continue to earn. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, We'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, a tip that I usually share is to increase the speed of every video. This way, you can watch the videos much faster, and if you don't want to skip any of the videos because you feel like it would be a waste of time, but you also don't want to be bothered by it, you can just mute the video and go about your business, and the video will simply exit itself once the 35 seconds are up. Then you can just repeat the process, so it's super great that way. Now, there are a lot of other things that you can do on here, like you can also earn by subscribing or liking or whatever else, so that is great. There's also a Facebook option that you can like, comment, maybe promote. There's also Instagram where you do the same thing. You can share, you can like, you can comment. Same thing for Twitter. Retweet, favorite the tweet, reply to a tweet, and other platforms, as you can see over here. There are also other daily bonuses and the link, so there's really more ways than one to earn using this platform, which is always a great thing because that means there's a lot of opportunities in only one website. Now, if you want to cash out, all you have to do is press this cash out button on your dashboard, and then that should take you to here. Then you can choose your payment method. If you don't find what you're looking for, there's an option that they suggest to you that's gonna let you get your payment method going. Then, once you successfully request for your payment, just wait 3 to 5 days, and just like that, you can get paid and you can continue on making money with this website like it's nothing. So, as you can see, you're gonna have to convert your payment method to the payment method that you want. To do this, you really just have to follow the instructions, since that's the only way to do so if you really want to get your money successfully out. Okay, so before we end everything, let's go through a little recap. So you're gonna want to open up our first website, which is followfast.com. It is our only website. So you're gonna join on the website, you're gonna sign up for a free account, and then as soon as you're done signing up for a free account, you're gonna go through all of the options and making money focus on the YouTube plays. Go ahead and click on play to watch the videos, mute the videos if you want to, speed it up if you want to, skip whatever you don't want to watch everything that you want to watch, see your points increase, and then click on cash out to exchange those points into cash, withdraw that money, and then that is basically everything. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.